7 superb and quick ways to get healthy and shiny hair. We at Brightside would like to share some simple and very effective mask and remedy recipes that your hair will definitely like. The main thing is that you can prepare these treatments in less than a few minutes, and they won't pinch your wallet at all. Apply the hair mask, fill the bathtub, light candles, and let yourself relax after a busy day of work. You deserve it. 7. Avocado mask to nourish your hair. 7 superb and quick ways to get healthy and shiny hair. This exotic fruit is not only good as an appetizer for Mexican dishes, it also has a positive effect as a hair mask. You will need the following ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 egg. Combine all the ingredients until the mixture is smooth. Apply the mask evenly over your hair from roots to tips. Wait for about 20 minutes until the mask soaks in. Wash it away with warm water. 6. Aloe vera mask to make your hair smooth. Aloe vera is known as a good treatment for therapy and prevention of various diseases. However, this plant can also make hair shiny and stimulate its growth. You will need the following ingredients: 1 aloe vera leaf, 1 teaspoon almond oil. Cut the aloe vera leaf in the middle and chop it. Mix it with almond oil. Apply the mixture to your hair and wear a hat made of polyethylene. Wait for about 20 minutes and then wash the mask away with warm water. 5. Banana hair mask to get rid of dandruff. Bananas are one of the most nutritious fruits, and they can help you get rid of dandruff. You will need the following ingredients: 1 large fresh banana, 1 teaspoon honey. Mix the ingredients until you have the consistency of mashed potatoes. Apply the mask to your hair. Keep it on for about 20 minutes until the mask soaks in. Then wash the mask away with warm water. 4. Aspirin mask to make the hair strong and shiny. It may seem odd, but aspirin has many uses apart from the most obvious one. And among those is its incredible effect on the hair thanks to its salicylic acid content. However, be careful with this method, as aspirin is still a medical drug and can cause harm if used without caution. You will need 3-4 small tablets of aspirin shampoo. It's all very simple. Crush 2 tablets and mix them with your shampoo. Then rub the mixture into your scalp and let it rest for a few minutes. Rinse the mix with warm water. Then rub the rest of the aspirin with just the warm water into your scalp again, and let it rest for 10 more minutes, after which rinse thoroughly again. 3. Coconut oil mask for hair growth. 7 superb and quick ways to get healthy and shiny hair. Coconut oil and eggs are the best penetrative and nourishing ingredients for hair growth. You will need 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons rapeseed oil, 2 scoops coconut oil. To achieve the best results, we recommend using these masks once a week to always keep your hair smooth, healthy, and shiny. 2. Baking soda shampoo for hair regeneration. Perhaps the easiest yet still super effective way to revitalize your hair and make it grow like never before is to make a baking soda shampoo. You will need 3 tablespoons baking soda, 9 tablespoons water. Apply the shampoo to your hair and work your way from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for 1-3 minutes and wash well. That's it. You'll see the first results in a week, and the best effect is achieved after a month of regular use. 1. Onion remedy, a natural remedy proved by many. 1 kilogram honey, 3 garlic cloves, 3 onions, 4 lemons, 200 grams flaxseed oil. Peel the garlic cloves and mix them together with lemons and onions in the blender. Then add the flaxseed and honey, and mix until you get a uniform mixture. Pour the mixture into a jar, close it, and keep it in the refrigerator. Consume a tablespoon of it 30 minutes before meals 3 times a day. The mixture works like a charm, and will make your hair grow like crazy while also helping you to see better. Try it yourself, and you'll be amazed by the results.